Hello, I'm Alex Potter, the teacher of Sword Fortress Programming. Today you are receiving a free lesson in programming designed so you can see how our lessons will play out if you choose to purchase lessons with me. This video is designed so that you will receive a good understanding of what our lessons will be like. At the end of the video, we will discuss what kind of things you should expect to see. Today we'll be learning how to make a button do something very simple like changing words on your application's GUI. Today we'll be using a programming language called Visual Basic, VB for short. Please note that only the programming language you choose later you'll be stuck with until that course is over. But let's dive right in. Before we begin programming, we must first download a program called Visual Studio Community Edition. It's free, so please download it from Visual Studio. It is an IDE, something used to program on computers. After it's installed, open it up and hit File, New, Project, or Control-Shift-N. This brings up the New Project dialog. Under where it says Installed, find where it says Visual Basic, and then where it says Windows Desktop. Then click it where it says Windows Form App.NET Framework. At the bottom where it says Name, type in My First Application, and then hit OK. Now we can begin. Just follow my lead, and you should not go astray. Alright, so we need to go ahead and open up Visual Studio, like I said. And, as I said, we're going to hit File, New, and then Project. Right here, where it says Visual Basic, under Installed, hit Windows Desktop and Windows Form App. And go down to the bottom where it says Name. And then hit OK. Now, I want you to find where it says Toolbox over on the right hand side, or it might be the left for you. Under where it says Common Controls, left click on button, and then drag it out. Now find where it says Properties, and find where it says Name. And name it something simple. BTN, short for button. My button. Simple. Now, go back to Toolbox and find Label. Same thing for Label, find Properties. Instead, LBL for Label. My label. Now, I want you to double click on your new button. And then you'll finally open up your first code window. Remember to do a save quite often. Now I want you to type me.btn my button, which is what you named your button, dot text equals anything in quotation marks. And then hit enter. Or not at all. Now, go up to the top where it says start and hit start. Give some time. Now you'll see the window you designed. Go and hit button. And it changed the text on the button. But why didn't it change the label? That's because we supplied button. Let's hit the stop button. Let's go back and change that to our label. Dot text equals. Now this works right, or any other text you would like to add. And hit start. Hit the button again and see it works right. Now let's try to do something interesting. At the top, type in dim first time as boolean equals true. A boolean is a variable type that can either be set to either only true or false. Its default, when nothing is supplied, is false. Now, erase the code and type if first time then. Congratulations, you made your first if construct. Basically, this reads as if first time is true, then execute code. And if. So if first time is true, we're going to make it do something. Uh-oh. Why is it giving me an error? It's because we tried to assign the label to text, but not the text itself. And now we want to assign first time a value as false, because now this is not the first time pressing this button. Now type in else. Basically, this reads as, if this is first time, then do this. Else, this is my second time. Now let's press the button, start button, and see what happens. This is my first time, like this, and hit it again. Pretty neat, huh? So let's go ahead and exit. Now that will wrap up this lesson in programming. Don't forget, if you're interested, sign up. Don't forget, pick the right programming language. If this is your first time programming, I would suggest choosing Visual Basic because it is simple and ready for learners. Other than that, have a great day.